Relinquish what remains of the Allspark, or suffer the wrath of Megatron. The Autobots will not protect you. They were defeated on my world, and I will defeat them here. Now, next command. Let us begin. You going to do anything? I'll take that as a no. Get out. Go on, take your photograph, add it to your story. Well, no one will care. 0 likes for all of you. Now leave. What do you want?
My birthday.
Oh, it's your birthday. Ask me if I care.
That's a great one. Come on.
What do you want? Who are you here with? Who are you here with? There's a reason you're here alone. Do not worry. I would not want a photograph with him either. Are you here to join my army? Good answer. Raise your fist now, like this. Good. Now say, all hail Megatron.
All hail Megatron.
Excellent. Here is what I want you to do. You find Bumblebee. You befriend him. But you will report to me. I see you have an Autobot insignia. You will fall for that. Really? Find him again. And when you do, report to me. Is my mission clear? Good. Turn around. Say death to the Autobots. Say it.
Death to the Autobots.
Good. Now leave. Your selfie will look terrible no matter what angle you choose.
You're so mean.
You there. Take a picture only of me. Leave them out of it.
Stand on their blue.
Tell me, where is Bumblebee? Have you seen him? You have? Really? Soundwave. Inspect that location. I want a full report. These two have told me where Bumblebee is. How do you feel, children, knowing that you betrayed your own race? Well, that's a first. You betrayed your own species and you feel great.
High five this way.
Now you know how Optimus Prime felt.
Hold on your shirt, please. Pose high. Okay, bye.
Now go. You tell me, where is the Allspark? Have you found it? You have? Where is it? That's 2 for 2. Have you seen Optimus? Is he in there with it? I will tell you this, child. Optimus is no hero. He is a wanted Cybertronian war criminal. He brought a war to your world. You have done well, my new Decepticons. Raise your fist now. You are with me. Not you over there. Just them. You, start. Raise your fist.
Raise your fist, guys. Yeah. Yeah, like that.
Now say, all hail Megatron. Good. Work on it. Now turn around. Soundwave spoke of your return. Welcome home, my Decepticon warrior. The Autobots gave you no trouble, I presume. Good. Are you ready for your photograph? Let's make it count for Cybertron. Farewell. One of you look this way. You! Look this way. Now you, other one, turn that way. Now one of you look this way again. Now take the photograph. Alright, I'm bored. Get out. Next! You are quite brave to approach me all alone. What is your name? You tell me this. Have you seen the Autobots today? You have not. They are somewhere close by. They have invaded your world, scurrying around as if they own this planet. They all must be cut down. Now, are you with the Decepticons? That's hardly convincing. Raise your fist. Now say, all hail Megatron. Did she say it? That was barely audible. Work on it. What do you want, Maximo? Is that you, Cheetor? I haven't seen you since 1999. You remind me of the Beast Wars, you know that? You don't speak much, do you? Turn around. This conversation went nowhere. Now scurry. You, female, why are you not in this photograph? Female.
Can you take this for me? Thank you.
Finally. This one's brave enough to wear this outfit. You're brave enough to stand here.